So ladies and gents, welcome back to McArthur Industries Group. So today we're just in here. This is a new part of our company that's been built over where we've got our new premises where we've got our on-site fiberglass and also painter internally where we've got a new booth here, which is exciting for us to make life a lot easier for us to do stuff internal, okay? We're just showing you a bit of a photo today with a gentleman that has got a repair on his caravan where he hasn't gone through insurance, where he's had a situation where he's had some damage up on his roof, where we've gone through and he's trying to keep this repair down to a sector where he's allowing it for himself. So he's self-insured himself and that sort of things, but he wants to do a repair on his roof. We can go through, we've gone through and fiberglassed it for him, done some work through, and he's trying to keep it down dollars and cents. Well, as you can see, normally all this stuff would come off, but he's trying to make sure he's trying to keep that dollars to himself, where we're not R&R and everything off there, R&R side trims, which makes a big difference to where we've got to start resealing side trims, resealing hatches, resealing like that. So we've worked with the customer for his request, and we try and do that with our clients. So is this our preferred repair? Probably not, but is it something that we can work with you to a budget? Yes, it is. So if this sort of work if you need, especially fiberglass work, now we've got this nice great big booth in here and that sort of things. We're doing a lot of motorhome fiberglass work, also caravans fiberglass work, and also if you need to do some refinishing on your vehicles and also caravans and stuff like that, we're here to help you out. So make sure you come down and see us, all right? Stuff like that there, some of your requests that you probably think you don't know what we're doing, we've got opportunities to help you. There's a lot of things we do here that aren't plastered all over our social medias, that aren't plastered all over our website. So make sure you inquire and you'll be quite surprised how we can help you. And the other thing is if we don't know somebody, been in the local area, family business, 47, 48 years now, we're going to know somebody that can help you. So have a great day. Any requests, drop it down in the comments below. Here to help you out. Have a great day. Thank you.